What if I told you that you could make $1,000 in just a few days with crypto, even if you're a complete beginner? In this video, I'm going to walk you step by step, how to set up your wallet, how to add funds, how to trade, and the exact strategies that people are using to make quick profits in the crypto market. Stick with me until the end because I'll reveal a beginner-friendly method that most people overlook, but it can actually make you money with far less risk. First things first, you need a crypto wallet. Think of it as your bank account for crypto. The most popular and beginner-friendly ones are Binance, Coinbase, Trust Wallet, or Metamask. Here's how it works. You download the app or sign up on the website, create an account, and secure it with two-factor authentication. And remember, never share your recovery phrase. That phrase is like the keys to your house. If someone else has it, they own your money.
How to create Binance account in mobile. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can create a Binance account in mobile, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you would like to create a Binance account on mobile, it's actually quite very simple to do so. You can actually use the Binance app, or you can open your browser and go to binance.com, or you can also visit binance.us or whatever else it is. Once you have done that, you can simply go ahead and then tap on the sign up option. Just scroll down over there, tap on the sign up button as you can find here, right? Then once you tap on the sign up option, it will take you to this page where all you have to do is enter email address and password and the referral code that you want to use. Just tap on I agree, then tap on the accept option, and then your Binance account will get successfully created. This way you can actually create a Binance account in mobile. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.
Now that your wallet is ready, it's time to fund it. You can add money using your bank card, a direct bank transfer, or peer-to-peer methods. For trading, most people convert their local currency into a stablecoin like USDT or USDC. That way, it's easier to trade in and out of different cryptocurrencies. For beginners, I recommend starting small. Even $50 or $100 is enough to practice. Remember, the goal isn't just to deposit money, but to learn how to move it around and trade.
How to deposit money in Binance using a debit card. Hey guys, welcome into this new video. In today's tutorial we're going to see how we can deposit money from our debit card. So first of all guys, as you can see, I have my Binance already open. I'm on the dashboard. So when you create your account, you're going to see something like this. Now remember that you need to have your account verified, because otherwise you just won't be able to make transactions and stuff in Binance. So you need to go into identification and provide all the information that Binance asks you to do, guys. It won't take you more than 5 minutes. So once you are verified, you want to go and focused where it says buy crypto. Now it's really important guys that you've already selected this currency, because sometimes the language and region aren't the same for us. Whether you're using USD, you're using dollars, or whether you're using euros, it depends on the region and the currency that you're using. In my case, I'm using Mexican because I'm in Mexico City. So I select this one, I select my language, then I can go into buy crypto. Now where it says pay with, you want to focus in this side where it says USD, and then select your currency that you're going to be paying for. Maybe I'm going to select my debit card, and my debit card runs with Mexican peso, so I'm going to select MXN. But if your case is another one, if your case is dollars, that you go in here, select your dollars. So it depends on your bank. So then all you want to select is credit and debit card. Now it's going to be telling us how much we want to be spending and what are we going to be buying. So I'm going to put VMB, Solana. It depends on what kind of you want to buy. Let's go ahead and select Ethereum, right? So then I'm going ahead and go into continue, and then it says choose your payment method. So in this case I already have my MasterCard, my Visa, but if you don't have one, you just need to select where it says plus or change card. You go like this, where you go out new card. Let's put our name, our card number, expiry date, security code, and let's go into next. And lastly, it says share account details. So we need to agree and share all the information to Binance in order to proceed with this purchase. And let's go into I agree to share the above information with Bifinity and confirmed. So you're gonna see a notification here that the money has been already retrieved from your debit card and your tokens are not available. So you can clear all these notifications if you want to and go into your wallet and fiat and spot. So you're gonna see the balance of your Binance account, and if you go into fiat and spot, as I just told you before, you're gonna see that your money in your case might be USD, dollars, AED or Mexican peso. You might have this have already transferred into your account. As you can see, I've already converted this into Binance coin. So there you have it, guys. It wasn't that hard. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more about Binance. Thank you for watching the video, and I'll be seeing you guys on the next one.
Alright, now comes the exciting part. Trading. There are three main ways beginners can trade crypto. Spot trading. This is the simplest form of trading. You buy low and sell high. For example, if you buy $100 of Ethereum and the price goes up by 10%, you make $10 profit instantly. Futures trading. Here you can use leverage to multiply your profits. For example, $100 with 10x leverage means you're trading as if you had $1,000. If the price moves in your favor by 10%, you make $100 profit. But be careful. If the market moves against you, you can lose your money just as fast. Altcoins. These are smaller coins outside of Bitcoin and Ethereum. Many of them pump quickly after big announcements. For example, coins listed on Binance or Coinbase often skyrocket in the first few days. So how do people actually make $1,000 in just a few days? Here are the strategies. Day trading. This is when traders make multiple small trades in a day. Each trade might only make $20 to $50, but doing it consistently adds up fast. Futures trading with leverage. This is the fastest way to hit $1,000, but also the riskiest. One good move can double or triple your account. Altcoin pumps. Some traders look for trending coins on Twitter, Reddit, or CoinMarketCap. If you buy early and sell at the peak, you can make hundreds in hours. Airdrops and bonuses. New crypto projects sometimes give free tokens to early users. For example, people who used the Arbitrum network last year received thousands of dollars in free tokens. Here's the part most beginners overlook. You don't always need to take big risks to make money. One method is staking, locking up your crypto and earning rewards. Another option is referral and sign-up bonuses. Some exchanges pay $50 to $100 just for inviting a friend or completing your first few trades. It's not flashy, but it's much safer for beginners and can still stack up to $1,000 quickly if you combine bonuses with smart trading. So let's recap. First, set up your wallet. Second, fund it safely. Third, learn to trade, starting with spot trading, then moving to futures and altcoins. Fourth, explore faster profit strategies like day trading, leverage, and airdrops. And finally, don't forget the beginner-friendly methods like staking and bonuses. If this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto strategies, and comment crypto below if you want me to make a live step-by-step trading tutorial next.